Good morning, my students. My name is Sumaya Al-Badr. I'm an English teacher from Palestinian schools in Qatar. Today I present for you period 3 from unit 10. The title of our lesson is Articles. We all know that there is 3 types of articles. The first one is indefinite articles, and these indefinite articles divide into articles, a and an. We use a for words or nouns that start with consonant letters, like a book, a car, and we use an with words that start with vowels. The vowels are O, E, I, A, U, and both of them we use them for singular countable. The second part is definite article, the. It is definite article. We use it for something already known. The third part is zero or no article. For example, we use it for generic items, cars, for information that we already have an idea about them. For example, the cars need fuels in order to move. Okay, this is generic items. We know, all of us know that cars need fuels in order to move from one place to another. Okay, my students, now open your books, page 49, period 3. I will read the sentences for you, then we'll try to explain them by answering the activity below, okay? By choosing the correct answer. Now, number 1, I'm hungry, I'd like some food. Number 2, I'd like a burger and some fries. Yes. Number 3, American teens, bad health is a problem. 4, junk food is a part of the problem. Number 5, cars need fuel. Number 6, food gives nutrients. Now, let's try to answer. Now let's read the first example and try to answer or choose the correct answer. Number 1, examples 1 and 2 use a and some to talk about something new, A, B, something that has been talked about before. The answer is yes, something that has been talked about before. Number 2, in example 1, there is no plural form. It is countable or uncountable. Look at example 1. We have food. Food is countable or uncountable pronoun? Yes, it is uncountable. Uncountable. Number 3, the things in example 2 have singular and plural forms. They are countable or uncountable. Look at example 2. Yes, I'd like a burger and some fries. Are they countable or uncountable? The answer is yes, it is countable. If we have plural, it will be countable. Okay? Number 4, example 3 introduces a new idea. B, or talks about an idea for a second time. In this situation, we use a or some. These are indefinite articles. Look at example 3. American teens' bad health is a problem. This is a new idea, so the answer is A. It introduces new idea. Number 5, example 4 introduces. A, introduces a new idea, or B, talks about an idea for a second time. In this situation, we can change from a or some to the. This is the definite article. Look at example 4. Junk food is part of the problem. This is not a new idea. It is yes, the answer is B. It talks about an idea for a second time. Okay, when we are talking an idea for the second time, we change from article A or some to the definite article. 6. Example 5 and 6 means some cars and some foods. B. Types of things. These are generic statements. As I said in the beginning of the class, generic statements are statements which have an idea about them. Okay, yeah, it means that we didn't listen about them for the first time. It is a second idea. So the answer is yes, B. Types of things. Number 7, generic statements like example 5 and 6. A. Use, or B. Don't use articles. Look at example 5 and 6. They are generic statements, so they don't use articles. Now, my lovely students, you have 2 minutes in order to check your answers and correct the mistakes of them. Okay, now let's move to the second activity. Work in pairs, make generic statements about types of food below. We have Colin, we have box, gray box and blue box. We will try to make sentences for generic statements. Don't forget, we don't use any articles in generic statements. Okay, we have here some examples. I will read them. I really like burgers, and I've never tried melon juice. Also, I will give you some examples, like I hate eating hummus and I love eating chicken. This is a generic statement. You can do, or you can write 3 sentences about generic statements, and you can send them in my email. This will be a homework for you. Okay, now we will go to activity 3. Work in pairs. Say what Tim and Sarah are going to buy. Use a, an, or some. Now we have 2 lists, Tim's list and Sarah list. They are going to buy things. We will try to make sentences about these things which they are going to buy them. We also will try to use the indefinite articles and some. Here we have example. I will read it for you. Tim is going to buy a melon, some butter, and some blah blah blah, and kitchen knife. I wrote an example for you. Before you write sentences, you should ask this question: what Tim and Sarah are going to buy? The answer will be they are going to buy milk, olives, blah blah blah, and so on. Also, this activity will be as a homework for you. Try to write 3 sentences. Okay, use a, an, or some, these articles with your sentences. Okay, and send them to my WhatsApp. Now my lovely students, go to the last activity. Work in pairs. Say where Tim and Sarah have put their shopping. Use them. Now I wanted to ask and answer about the things which Sarah and Tim bought them, and where did they put them. Okay, you will use this question. I will give you an example to start. Yes, the question will be, where have they put the melon? The answer, they have put it on the chair. Okay, don't forget to use definite article the. Now this will be a homework also. You will write 3 sentences about it and you will send them to me in my WhatsApp. By this activity, I will come to end my class. Thank you very much. I hope you get benefit from this class. My name is Sumaya Al-Badr. I hope see you soon. Good luck.